Hi, I'm Scott with Moroso Performance. Today's video is going to be about the proper installation technique that's found in our instructions for installing a Moroso Perm-align transmission gasket. We're going to use a Turbo 400 case along with our 42020 Moroso transmission pan for this demonstration. Now what we're showing you is line by line that are found in the instructions that you can either get on our website or in the QR code that you'll get with a product that you can scan with your phone when you're ready to put this on. Basically, this way is going to show you the proper way to install it so you get years and years of really good use with it. First thing you want to do when you take the gasket out of the box, and you got your transmission, whether it's in the car or on the bench, let's wipe all the surfaces down clean. Now, what's nice about a Perm-align gasket, it does not need any type of a sealant at all to make it work. So you want to put this thing on dry and clean, and this blue silicone is designed to do all the sealing for you. And then we're going to take our pan, drop the pan on, and we're going to make sure all the bolt holes line up. Now obviously if we're upside down in the car, now's a great time to take a bolt or two, and let's just get it lined up and started by hand, and we'll get the process going from here. Okay. All right, so we're going to get these bolts in by hand. We're going to get a couple of the corner ones started. As the instructions are going to show, put all the bolts in finger tight. So we've located the gasket, we've located the pans. Now when you see the instructions, you're going to find your transmission pan gasket, determine which one you have, and we've laid out a numerical pattern of exactly what order to go in. And we're going to show this to you today when we do this Turbo 400 setup. Now we know the tendency is to want to run these things on with an air gun, electric impact gun or something, but it is very important. Start them by hand the way I'm doing it. From this point, we're going to now take our torque wrench and we're going to set it to 60 inch-pounds. And following the sequence that we show you, we are going to go around at a 60 inch-pound sequence to get this thing down nicely and get the first stage of compression on the gasket. So we're going to take our mechanical torque wrench, which has a telltale, and we're going to get this first one to 60. We're going to now follow the pattern that we offer in the instructions. Okay, for the final step, we're going to follow the exact same pattern and now go to 120 inch-pounds. And then they're going to go over one more time at the 120 inch. So that's it. That is the proper way to install a Moroso Perm-align transmission pan gasket. Any questions? Comment below or go to moroso.com.